Testing, testing, testing. Making
destination,
sure
which is
the
the airport.
GoPro works.
So let me put the GPS.
Walking around Santa Rosa beach, alright, that's how we're across. Yo, look on the rain right there, so yo. Look on the rain down there, so. We just want to see water, yo. And we have umbrella now, we have umbrella in the back of the car. We have an umbrella in the back of the car.
We alone on the beach.
Everybody are. Oh, now you could decide to come on the rain by yourself. You made that decision, not me. Now we have to go find some indoor shit to do. That's what happens when you lay. Should have gotten up 6 o'clock. We have to take a one dip in the tea block. I want to them money. We have to get a one dip tea block. Yo, water hot your fart. Man, all of that time we never record. Yo, all of that a while ago I never record. Bridging over there, so come from Florida and afraid of water. You ever seen nothing say yet? Man live on the beach. I know go in the water. Because it rain and fall, the man not go in the water. Kind of foolish is that. But anyway guys, it's a pool day today. What happened is we're right on the beach we're right behind there, so but it's like rain and fall, so we can't really go there, so the sun wet and all them something. So we just decide to come in at the pool. Forward in the pool, you know. There the beach house, you see me? We're on. Right now it's a rain. My soup blow off still. Them say by 3 o'clock. Check the weather and by 3 o'clock it's supposed to stop sunny again. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll still go over the beach. Just come take a dip in at the pool to get some footage, you see me? Anyway, stay tuned. Water fly up in the boat. Eh? Water fly up in the nose. Alright. Eh? Me not come out there, so. Me can't come out there, so. No. Me can't work up the energy right, use up my energy right now. Big wave that's it. I'm not catch one. Where boogie board, they need for ride, yo. They need to ride the wave. Yo! No, there's every now and then you have a big one. See right here? It's coming. Oh, yeah, in the right here.
This is nice.
Here's one right here. Yo, sir. This now work at all, yo.